Alright, as you can see, it's like 3:46. We got places to go. So, let's go. We've made it to Charleston, South Carolina. We're in like North Charleston. We're still in the airport. I guess I do have to explain like what exactly we're doing here and why we came and what the whole plan is, but I'll get to that afterwards. As of right now, I'm gonna shed some light on the backstory. That'll play now.
Motorsports $2,000 challenge presented by Tire Rack in association with CRC, Summit Racing Equipment, and Miller. So, we can get a round of applause for the sponsors who like to do this. Thank you guys.
2 days ago. Junior said, hey, we have to carry that, go and place it. So,
Wait, 2 days ago?
2 days ago.
Why they keep
Just pick it up
doing
from
this,
Florida.
Oh, it's an auction car. Sight unseen. Alright, so I didn't say it in the mic, but this is the first pit stop of South Carolina. This is the first thing we do. Gotta make sure the fitment is right. Alright, we finally got the Hoosiers fully mounted up, all 4 of them. I think the next stop we're gonna go meet up with one of my uncles now and kind of figure out what the motion is. I have the key. We got back to the spot. First thing we see him. It's just like my car, but you know. I don't know if it's better or worse. I just know that it's like my car. Definitely better, am I right? Alright, after omitting a lot of what happened throughout yesterday, we're finally at the track. Matter of fact, we're in Gainesville, Florida now, and we just got registered. So I guess
I found out 5 minutes ago that I'm driving.
As did I. So let's pick a car.
Those are your tickets to use pro drivers. We have 5 national champions, SCCA national champions, not like curling or something, lined up to drive your cars. In trade for 1 ticket, they will take a run in your car to try and set the best possible time. They will always be waiting at the pro driver grid. That's where they will enter and exit your car.
I mean, Uncle Junior.
Yes.
You're gonna have to tell the story of this car, man.
The story is,
Quick story.
the story is, picked it up from an auction on Wednesday, and the car is here at the truck.
It's Saturday. These people are ridiculous, man. Alright. So we just got out of tech. That's what that whole situation was earlier. He purchased this. I think the purchase of the auction went through on Monday. Like he said, they picked it up, it got to the house on Wednesday. This car originally wasn't supposed to race, but because we got it for I think $1,200 or something like that, we're allowed to race it under the $2,000 budget category. And yeah, I don't know. I think I'm gonna drive it. Pretty cool. Hey, hey.
Hey, hey.
I'll be. Whoa, what the fuck? I'm lost. Fuck, I lost it, bro. So, slalom.
And then around, and then down, and then all the way around. And it's pretty much another slalom back that way, slalom, and then back through.
Alright, let's make it through this first slalom first. It's so funny, you can like see all my problem spots. Okay, I see.
I've been doing this for what now? 25 years?
25
so
years. Dude, dang. This is my year 2.
Heck yeah, man, let's do it.
Second
You
event.
got this.
Let's go. Mal's turn. He's gonna fucking spin out. Oh, I don't think he heard me.
I heard you.
Oh.
Talking all that shit.
I'm a shit talker by nature, bro.
2000's deficit to a 14,000 lead in the class with nobody around.
How was that?
So that is going to give Simonescu
Suffered some fuel starvation in the last run because all the gas went to the side where the fuel pump doesn't pump.
Oh yeah. He was taking those corners kind
It
of.
was a right-hand turn.
Almost fucked. I literally almost fell.
Yeah, so I didn't film much, but that's the end of the first half of the day. Autocross is done. But now we're on to drag, so I'm gonna be dragging the same car, the red 328. And yeah, wish me luck.